Alex Prud'homme, The Ripple Effect, The Fate of Freshwater in the 21st Century. Delve into the world of The Ripple Effect, The Fate of Freshwater in the 21st Century, as author Alex Prud'homme uncovers the pressing issues related to water purity, scarcity and management in the United States and beyond. As the global population continues to rise, alongside increasing industrialization and urbanization, water usage is at the forefront of environmental concerns. This book's summary brings attention to key challenges such as pollution, aging infrastructure, water commodification, and the impact of climate change on water availability. Get ready to face the difficult questions and explore potential solutions to the water crisis that could plague the 21st century.
Water, our deceptively plain substance. The United States faces a water crisis due to industrial pollution, stormwater runoff, and increasing chemical and nutrient contamination. From polluted groundwater in Brooklyn to nitrogen pollution in Chesapeake Bay, water is at the forefront of environmental consciousness. While arguments over surface water have been settled, groundwater and scarcity bring new challenges. Recycling becomes more urgent during straitened times for water supplies, but curbing pollution is a tough political sell in farm country. The Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, has been defanged to near uselessness, leaving water quality in peril. Water, a deceptively plain substance, is the basis of life, but freshwater is becoming the probable flashpoint of the century. Water scarcity devastates cities. Cities worldwide are facing water scarcity issues. While some cities have solved this problem by importing water from more abundant regions, some have been less successful in finding long-term solutions. The Big Dry in Australia has led to overdue changes in water allocation management and could force residents to abandon their homes. Industrial spills that occurred in a less regulated time continue to have environmental and health impacts, and aging infrastructure is a growing problem that is largely out of sight. Many in Las Vegas have proposed building a pipeline to transport water from rural Nevada valleys, but the recent historic low in Lake Mead has halted the proposal. While some politicians suggest building more dams to increase water supply, critics suggest adopting water-saving technology and promoting a less wasteful mindset. Overcoming flood threats. The world's rising temperature will trigger excessive water, causing floods in many regions. Lack of proper infrastructure makes these floods among the most devastating calamities. With the surge in hurricanes and sea levels, coastal communities are the most vulnerable. Past instances like Atlanta's 2009 floods and Katrina's devastation highlight the value of strong federal leadership for green, nature-friendly engineering solutions and effective levees. Although some suggest offshore flood barriers as a defense measure in New York, the focus should be on solid preventive infrastructure and public support for pollution control. The global water crisis. The world is facing a dire water crisis as freshwater sources dwindle. In California's Sacramento Delta, agricultural, government and private interests are in conflict over water, leading to the decimation of once vibrant fishing industries due to massive pumps that irrigate farms. Meanwhile, entrepreneurs like Texas oilman T. Boone Pickens have begun treating water as a commodity, setting up districts to sell water resources to metropolitan areas. In the face of the big water business, opponents argue that access to water is a basic human need rather than a marketable good. The world's largest water consumers are the farming and energy industries, while bottled water has become a $10.6 billion industry in the U.S. alone. Additionally, mining projects like the proposed Pebble Mine in Alaska threaten to pollute the environment with waste storage and excessive water consumption. Access to freshwater sources is decreasing, and by 2025, over 3 billion people could face scarcity. It is crucial to acknowledge the water crisis and adapt to manage it, or risk irreversible consequences. Solving the world's water problems. As the world's water crisis looms, solutions to the problem are being sought after. Cloud seeding and desalination technology are among the technologies available, with the latter being more promising. Countries like Saudi Arabia depend on desalination plants as their primary source of fresh water. The United States is grappling with its troubled water supply, and solutions require stronger water laws and regulations, as well as a pricing system that charges higher rates to spur conservation and reinvesting in water infrastructure to boost the economy. Worldwide, a growing population and a growing preference for meat diets add to the strain, but countries like Singapore show hope in conserving water and reducing per capita daily water use. Citizens of the US and the world must reassess their relationship to water with a fresh respect so that society can manage it sustainably into the foreseeable future.
In conclusion, The Ripple Effect sheds light on the multifaceted challenges of water management and sustainability in both the United States and worldwide. With pressing issues like increasing pollution, climate change-induced scarcity, and outdated infrastructure, it is crucial for societies to reassess their relationship with this invaluable resource. Solutions may include policy reforms, technological innovations, adaptive pricing, and fostering a more sustainable mindset in water use. By understanding and respecting the importance of fresh water, the global community can work together to preserve this vital resource for current and future generations.